I lost my way a little bit, guys. I got into this hobby to fly my whoops at cool spots, and I've spent the last couple of weeks obsessing over Jello and getting this little quad right and trying to find my flow and get a perfect flight round this field. And then I had a sudden epiphany. Stop that. Go out and find some spots, you idiot. So I did. Yesterday I set off in a dog walk and I went in the opposite direction than I usually go to go and find some stuff that was whoopable. I set out with my Meteor 85 and my Runcam Thumb Pro 4K, and well, it gave me a little bit of grief. I'll let Vlog Me fill you in on the gossip. Yo, we're back, baby. I put a lot of pressure on myself to get the most perfect video ever with my bloody Synlog 22-inch Ripper conversion. But I can't be fucked. It keeps going wrong for me. So I'm just gonna come and find some spots. I don't give a shit about Jello at this point. Just wanna go and whoop some interesting spots, and it isn't a field. I know you might think, well, you're in a field. Just wait. Yes. Yes. There's like a party going on in this football club. It's like Saturday night. They're using the pavilion for something. Kind of sketchy, but there's no kids here, which would have meant I would have left.
What, mate? Will you lend us your phone, mate? What?
Do a couple packs here, couple packs at the next spot. Hopefully this will be a sort of YouTube video or something. This is what I've been storing my Radio Master in. It also makes for a neat landing pad.
Look, ole, ole, hands in the air, we're bringing it home. Bringing it home, missing a match, got count on the phone. Ole, ole, get him a pint, get me a lighter. 10 in a box, bro on a wing, but he's a striker. Ole, ole, hands in the air, we're bringing it home. Bringing it home, missing a match, got count on the phone. Ole, ole, get him a pint, get me a lighter. 10 in a box, bro on a wing, but he's a striker. Ole, ole.
For music, it was Harry and Kane. My young G put on a bally and came on the attack like Danny and James. Don't need no practice, shoot like Rashford, grab it and aim. Sweet one with a Birkin, she know I got Sterling medallion chain. She love when I go deeper. She good with her throat, go ask Pope, this one is a keeper. Sweet mama Cita, hates it when I play FIFA. Take off the dom, she like how I feel, you know I'm a pleaser.
Slide like Trent when it's time for the Mazza. Score like Razza, shoot like Gaza. Do it like Jaden, check the account, see the amount, then they think man a Mason. Them boy not sure, man's telling them. Call up the young G's, you know what it is when I'm belling them. Who's on crep then, like man won't check them when the ting rise like
Ole, ole, hands in the air, we're bringing it home. Bringing it home, missing a match, got count on the phone. Ole, ole, get him a pint, get me a lighter. 10 in a box, bro on a wing, but he's a striker. Ole, ole, hands in the air, we're bringing it home. Bringing it home, missing a match, got count on the phone. Ole, ole, get him a pint, get me a lighter. 10 in a box, bro on a wing, but he's a striker. Ole, ole. Ole, ole. Ole, ole.
Look at who stepped in the field. Deckers with attackers, double tap shoot, now it's about to get real. I got a team for the drillers, that's active teamwork, makes the dream work, that's gang shit. Like everybody screaming free lions.
My Runcam started doing this thing where it gets one tiny hit. The SD card moves. So annoying. Just moves literally a millimeter. I don't know what that is in American. That was that spot. I'm gonna check out this other spot. Hopefully it's good, or otherwise the video's gonna end here.
Next spot.
I move everywhere through the fields. Just gotta follow these power lines to the spot. The real question is, can I access this spot from the back, or am I gonna have to go around the front and be a bit bait? With the dog and everything. Let's find out. Well, you're gonna find out right now. Yeah, I'm gonna try it from the back because I'm a sketchy motherfucker. Let's do it. I immediately head to this digger to try and get a power loop in, but as you can see, my goggles are giving me no love. Now, I know what you're gonna say. Granny, stand up. I do in the next flight, don't worry, but I don't cotton on until the end of this. Oh, the run cam didn't record this one either. I'm not sure if it was my fault this time, but you'll see me say in a minute, it didn't record.
Oh, the signal's so bad I'm scared to go in there.
Now I just struggle around this building site for a bit, complaining about my goggles. Enjoy.
Granny needs some new goggles, guys. Every time I get close to the digger, it fucking fuzzes out, man. I need some new goggles, bro. Subscribe, please, so I can buy some new goggles. I've got no money. Thank you. Yes.
Run cam didn't record.
Last pack, do I do it? Is this recording though? Yeah, thank fuck. Go on, let's risk it for a biscuit. I don't believe in the last pack gods. Famous last words. Well, apparently this shit's recording.
Yeah, they're the seriously cynical. Dim-witted miracles, spurting that bollocks in proportions that are biblical. That's what you're taught down school, that's being forced to stare to a wall instead of really finding what you're looking for. No more, put that mindset in a coma. Move forth, rip up the old school with brute force. Cause we are the new source. We spread that kindness like a virus or a cold sore. I'm happy but I want more.
Well, I was a keen learner, plus the weed burner with a mean need to see further. And I need murder in the school system. Cause who listens to the youth's wishes when they're sitting in the fool's prison? The standardized test made a standardized mess, and the standards digress when they stand on my chest. And it's anodyne bless as long as no one's getting left behind. Better find a better way to break a better state of mind.
You want a part in all those politics, didn't go to eat and stop your dreaming. There's a system put in place for a reason. Spoon fed, toss pots, what lost the plot. Passing laws to keep their money sitting securely at the top. Noshing off the CEOs, corporations, tax evasions. Anything to compensate for that life they clearly wasted. Life's amazing, and I'm not complaining. I'm pissed off we can't solve a problem which is bloody blatant.
Let's talk about a leg up. Man, I'm fucking fed up with the old boys club, never spreading out the cheddar 9 weather. This ain't the world I wanna live in. When we stop giving, all we get is more victims. The poor slipped in an appalling support system. Gripped in the pretty sticky positions. And listen, what's the way out? And when's the payout? We gotta see the day out or get the fuck out, Britain.
Oh man, I can't wait to get home and look at this shit now.
Ole, ole. Look, I spent all night trying to get data off this thing, because a couple of flights did record at the start and one didn't. One, the SD card moved, but there's just no files in existence. There's just one file from that whole video which you saw just then. The third one was my fault, but the fourth one did record. But it's just a little thing with the run cam. I don't know if it's because I started bashing it about a little bit, but it's certainly not as good as the week I bought it. No buyer's remorse here though.